Hi everyone, I'm here at my mum's house. We've just made a Greek Tiropita, a cheese pie. Tiri means cheese, but it's actually got feta cheese and egg as a filling inside all the layers of Filo Pastry, which my mum actually made. It looks delicious, it smells delicious. I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. Let's see how we actually made it before we taste it.
Έριξα έτσι ένα και ένα, δύο και λίγο. Για δυο πίτες φτιάχνω τώρα. Εντάξει.
3 pinches of salt for 2
Τώρα θα
pitas.
ρίξω και λίγο λάδι.
A little olive oil.
Ναι.
About that much.
Για δυο πίτες τώρα αυτό.
This is for 2 pitas.
Τώρα θα ρίξω το νερό. Λίγο χλιαρό είναι
Sort of
καλύτερα.
warmish water.
Ένα, δύο. Ένα για μία πίτα. Θα το ανακατέψω.
Mix it. Ooh, a bit of sugar.
Τώρα θα βάλω το αλεύρι.
Flour. Alright, my mum doesn't actually measure it. She goes about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for 2 pitas.
Για να δούμε. Αν θέλεις κι άλλο, θα βάλουμε.
And if it needs any more, she'll put some more. Okay, a bit of flour down, and then it's the kneading. Continuous punching, pressing down with your fists and your fingers.
Τώρα αυτό θα κάνω, αλλά πρέπει κάνα 10 λεπτά να το κάνω έτσι.
So this is going to take 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Βλέπεις πώς έγινε τώρα. Έγινε δηλαδή ούτε μαλακό ούτε ξέρω.
Okay, so not too hard and not too soft. This is now about 10 minutes later. Okay, cutting it into small bits.
Θα ρίξω λίγο έτσι από πάνω για να... Δεν τα τελείωσα ακόμα. Τώρα θα τα εισάξω.
Okay, so you flatten them out a little bit.
Ναι, να καθίσουν τώρα κάνα μισή ώρα. Άμα τα ανοίξεις τώρα δεν θα ανοίξουν.
Alright, you've got to let them rest now for about half an hour. Because if you try to open the filo now, it won't really open very easily or very well.
Τώρα θα τα αφήσουμε αυτά κάνα μισή ώρα.
Alright, we're going to leave them for about half an hour.
Ναι, θα τα σκεπάσω μόνο, τίποτα άλλο.
Cover them up with a tea towel and they're done.
Εντάξει. Και τώρα θα φτιάξουμε τη γέμιση, τυρί και αυγά. Και λίγο λάδι.
The filling, we're now going to prepare the filling. Okay, we'll see how much.
Ρίξε. Ναι, ρίξε και αυτό.
Okay, all done by eye.
Από 5 αυγά βάζω στη μία.
5 eggs per pita. Okay, so half an hour later, a little bit of olive oil at the bottom of the shallow pan. Okay, so
Τώρα αυτό θα το
bit of corn flour.
φύλλω.
Corn flour is slightly less sticky. This filo is so superior to any pre-made frozen filo you'll ever buy at a shop. My mum's done this thousands of times and makes it look so easy.
Άμα είναι κρύο λέω, Δεν ανοίγουν εύκολα. Αν είναι ζέστη ανοίγουν πιο καλά.
So the filo opens up more easily when it's warm. Today's a fairly warm day. It's going to be a top temperature of 20 degrees.
Τώρα θα τα γυρίσω εδώ, να πάρω το πρώτο.
Alright, so she's changing the order so that the first one that was made comes on top.
Τώρα τα ανοίγω με το χέρι έτσι. Για να μην κάθομαι να το κάνω με το ξύλο τόση ώρα. Τώρα ξέρεις πώς ανοίγει, κοίτα.
So it opens up by hand rather than using the rolling pin, and you just lower it down. And there's a little bit of overhang.
Κάθε φύλλο θα ρίχνεις και λίγο λάδι.
With every filo, a little bit of oil. Waste not, want not. Open it up by hand.
Είναι καλή μέρα σήμερα και ανοίγουν καλά, τα βλέπω.
Yep, nice day. Opens up easily by hand or with the rolling pin. A drizzle of oil.
Τώρα θα το βάζω εδώ μέσα όλο. Λίγο μαζεμένο, δεν πειράζει.
So it doesn't need to be overhanging on the third one. Just random. And the fourth one too. And the fifth one.
Τώρα θα βάλω το τυρί και το αυγό.
Half now, half later. Layer 6. Layer 7.
Να είναι σχεδόν
So one always goes further into the middle
το ίδιο.
because on the edges there's always an excess, especially when you fold it up over. And now the rest of the egg and the feta. Layer 8. The folding over of the filo traps the feta and egg combination inside the layers, and then layers 9 and 10 produce a nice flat finish on top. And that's it.
Και λίγο νερό από πάνω, ύστερα.
Just a little bit of water.
Έτσι.
Just so that it doesn't dry out too much. Some scoring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Τώρα στο φούρνο.
And now into the oven.
Τώρα εδώ το φύλλο θα τη βάλω. Έτοιμη είναι η πίτα. Τώρα είναι κομμένη. Όπως θέλετε κόψτε τη μετά.
And now you can cut it any way you like.
Πολύ ωραία.
Looking underneath.
Ναι,
Looking good.
yes. Εντάξει.
So as you've seen, this is the finished product. We're going to cut it up a little bit now and give it a taste test.
Βγάλεις και την κόβεις έτσι, όσο θέλεις.
And you just pull it apart and cut it as much as you like. And then once you've cut it up, you can taste it. Absolutely world class. Thank you very, very much.
That's right.
Mmm.
Τώρα και όλα ζεστή και βέβαια. Και ποιος δεν αρέσει την πίτα, η αλήθεια να λέγεται.
Well, it's still hot, my mum's saying, and who doesn't like a good Greek pita? Mmm. Mmm. Absolutely delicious. Mmm. Very nice.
Καλό, ναι.